All right, we just ended with a test. The opposite arm leg raise in the plank position. Went up to our hands in the push-up plank, opposite arm leg raise. You thought that was hard. You thought that was challenging. It is. It is. And you've maintained a really good level of function if you can get to that particular level to do those exercises. Now, my screening process with athletes has changed a little bit over the last couple of years, and now I always put in a crawling test, which really isn't in my screens in the beginning, so this is bonus for those of you that actually watch this stuff. And the crawling reflex is the most powerful reflex of the human body when you are linked, and it looks smooth. I've worked on it a long time, so mine's going to look smooth, and we want to strive to get you to look that way as well. So maybe you had some issues with your posture. You're working on that, right? Maybe you had some issues with the plank, and you were really weak, and now you're getting stronger in your plank progressions, right? You're definitely ready to crawl, all right? So here's how we start with crawling. We want to make sure you got the motor pattern of the actual Spider-Man crawl, and it looks like this. We go down on the ground. I'm going to offset my hands so that my left hand in this case is 2 hands distance further forward than my right. So I'm offset. All right. I get my body long. My feet are just inside hip width, kind of like when we run. All right. So when we're here, push-up position, strong, long spine. If you can't maintain this, then we're not ready for this. All right. So here we go. This is level 1. We bring the knee to the elbow, right? So the inside of the knee goes to the outside of the elbow and makes contact. My palm is flat. The ball of the foot is flat on the ground. Boom, I come back. I repeat that. If you notice and you look at my spine should be looking long, right? So when I flex my hip, I do not flex my spine. That's the whole deal. We're becoming more stable in our spine and stronger in our hips if we can do that effectively, all right? So plenty of drills that we'll do to get stronger if we can't do that, and then we'll come back, all right? And I'm going to have some regressions in a minute, so hang tight. So that is your static version. I normally have athletes do 8 to 10 repetitions, boom, 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 right? Nice tempo, and then they go to the other side, right? And then we'll go wham. We'll go 1, we'll go 2, right? And then we're going to do our 8 there. Then we start to do the crawling motor pattern dynamically. All right, we typically will like to work 20 yards, all right, with our pattern as a goal. If I only go 10 and need to take a break, I take a break, all right? So I'm going to just get this kick started and back up here and show you a couple crawls. So same setup position, I already brought that up, boom, dynamically, the right hand picks up first, that's the first thing to go. I start pushing through the ground with my right foot, which means I'm extending the flexed hip, which means I push the ground away and I pull and flex the extended hip, which is my left. And I made pretty good contact. My elbow hit my knee, inside of my knee, the outside of my elbow. My eyes can be a little forward here. We didn't talk about that yet, a little bit, like we are searching for prey as a predator. Now I'm going to go one more, and you'll see slow motion. Boom. So, readjust, get the leg long. Get your ball of the foot in the ground. Get your spine long. You need to get the feeling of this in slow motion first, all right, which is what we do, and then we start to ambulate and go quicker, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so once again, if we've got you posturally out of this position and we got you much more secure and stronger and stable in your lumbar spine, right, we are going to discontinue most lower abdominal exercises in the coordination patterns that we first started with. Our planking exercises, if we can get you doing opposite arm leg raises in the plank, we pretty much move on. We don't really program them in much after. We are big crawlers, right? And then we're going to get into more dynamic stuff as we go. So here's your crawl pattern dynamically. I'm going to get set up right side first as far as my contact, elbow to outside of knee. And now you're going to watch. I'm going to think that there's a line going underneath my nose right here, and I got to follow that line. Watch my hips so they don't go side to side too much. You're going to see that as far as stability leaks and patterns that aren't real solid. So when I actually move, crisp, more. Coming back at you. Anytime you should be able to say freeze. And they should show you a contact point, elbow, knee, okay? Ball of foot, long back leg, long spine. Freeze. They should be able to freeze, and you should look like that. All right, so again, goal, 20 yards of crack. I typically use these as a reset button after I do my foam rolling and mobility work. I do these before I start most of any workouts that I perform. And I do different crawls on different days, and I'm going to show you the backward crawl, which is even harder, next. All right, backward crawl. You think forward crawling's tough. Here you go. Much tougher from the ground reaction forces through the hand here, okay? Everybody's jamming. Everybody's working. Trunk's working really hard in their crisscross patterning, right? Much tougher, again, pushing the ground away, so anterior shoulder stability, pec recruitment, tricep recruitment with the abdominal reaction is tough. So I'm here to now say what is the kicker here. When I go backwards, boom. The hand that's here, that's back closest to me, is more of a push hand. It's got to get into the ground. You got to push the ground away. So now I'm going to go, and you're going to just watch and try to replicate. So push. Okay, readjust. Push. 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 Am I going straight? Hopefully. Left side to side movement is better. So, talk about functional abdominal reactions. They don't get much better.